zigzagging his beard. Like, what the hell? You're playing with the sunnah of the Prophet. Either keep it or don't keep it. Don't mock with it. Don't joke about with it. You keep it or you don't keep it. And if you're a Muslim and you love the Prophet, there's only one answer that I hear from you guys. You will keep it. You won't care about anybody, what people are going to say, what will you say. You will keep it. Even if you don't keep a full fist, put some hair on there. That way I can tell you're different from a girl. What's the difference between a boy and a girl who shaves? Women thread, nothing there. Men shave, nothing there. What's the difference? Many differences, I don't need to go into it, but what's the difference? You're doing the same thing as them. This is why I have even a little bit of hair, so we can tell you're a man. And then how do I know if he's a Muslim or he's a Sikh? How do I know if he's a Muslim or he's a non-Muslim? There was one guy I was sat next to, and I'm talking to him like he's not a Muslim. He goes, "Patay na." And I thought, oh yes, he's from Mirpurdan, innit? He's one of my boys, MPs and that. Do you know what I mean? And I thought, yes, this one's he's a Pakistani. Shaklan, no Muslim. I couldn't tell if he was a Muslim. You walk in there, you can't tell. Why? The sign of a Muslim is this thing that I'm holding in my hand. I'm not forcing it on you. You want to keep it, you keep it. When you're ready, you should keep it. Don't play with it. Don't keep it and then shot drugs. I know many drug dealers who have kept beards. Ramzan which namazan parden, Roza called them. Listen, I'll drop it off to you just before Tarawih. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Who are you messing around with? You're using the Prophet Sunnah to disguise yourself. If you're going to do it your own way. Don't degrade the name of the Prophet ﷺ. Don't drag that Sunnah in disrespect. That's why when you do decide to keep it, make sure you're ready to do it. Don't force yourself into something. And if you do jump into it, don't put one foot in and one foot out. Because many brothers are always like that. In Ramzan, one foot's in, but their heart is still going towards cinema and all this Akon and Tupac and Biggie and Drake and Wiz Khalifa and God knows what else they listen to. That's what it is. They're half and half. If you're going to become a Muslim, go into it properly. Sacrifice. Make the change. Who are you scared of? Who are you living your life for? People? If you're living your life for people, then carry on the way you're going. But I tell you one thing, they will end up giving up on you in the end. If you live your life for Allah Almighty, this aim and focus will continue till the day of judgment.